Introducing 1,090 inch-pounds of awesome. The XP-H07M is the new king of the hammer driver drill category with the most torque in its class. It outpowers, outlasts, and outperforms the rest. With over 1,000 inch-pounds of torque, it outpowers the red and yellow brushless counterparts by up to 382 inch-pounds of torque. It also outlasts the red and yellow brushless drills, powering through 77 holes on a single charge with a new 4 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. So is it faster? Yes! Drilling into 2x material, it's up to 24% faster than the red and yellow's brushless drills. The hard-working XP-H07M is equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. The XP-H07M is powered by the new 4 amp-hour battery that reaches a full charge in 40 minutes or less. That's twice as fast as some of the other 4 amp-hour batteries on the job site, which can take up to an hour and a half to reach full charge. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. The new XP-H07M is the unmatched, undisputed king of the hammer driver drill category.